back to the Diabetic Diet Show. Today's show is about knives to get kids started cooking. When they're just starting out and you don't want them to use a real steel knife yet, you can buy this little set on the internet. I think it cost me about 12 bucks, and there's all kinds of knives. It looks like there's 3 different styles in here. So there's one. This one here seems to have a little bit of a curve to it. Maybe all 4 of these are the same and those are different. So this is your chef's knife, plastic. You know, I mean, kids, don't chase your brother or sister with his knife. You have to realize this is a knife. Even though it's plastic, it is a little bit sharp and you could get hurt. Okay? So, here's some fruit. There you go. You have to saw on it a little bit. Now, let's see how it goes this way. Oh, that one cuts really good. I'd recommend you use this one. That one cuts real good, real well. Have to use proper grammar. Well, my son is watching because he's college educated. He gives me a hard time if I don't use proper grammar. So this is your nice little paring knife. This one's your chef knife. This one is probably a meat knife. And here's another smaller chef's knife. That one works real well too. I think I really like this one here. I think this is my, you got to kind of saw on that. Well, this is important to help kids to get started. Now, I don't like to let the kids get too near the fire yet, or the stove. I like to have them on a separate island working on things. So I think this is good, and I think you could be comfortable with them using these. They're actually even balanced like a steel knife is. That's pretty funny. So that's my show for today. Thanks for watching about kids' knives. Look forward to seeing you next time. Goodbye for now.